How to turn on Bluetooth on Windows 10 step by step with troubleshooting steps to fix Windows 10 Bluetooth on off button missing and Bluetooth not working Windows 10 solutions. First, we will learn about turning on Bluetooth for those who have a normal PC, and then we'll talk about the troubleshooting steps later. Alright, let's get started. How to turn on Bluetooth in Windows 10 and connect to a device. First of all, turn on the Bluetooth of the device you want to connect to your Windows 10 PC. For example, I'm going to turn on the Bluetooth of my phone and make sure that it is visible. You can do the same for any earpods, headset or microphone. Also, I have reviewed the most affordable microphone for beginners. Be sure to check it out as well. I'll leave a link to it in the description or in the pinned comment. Alright, once you have turned on the Bluetooth in your device that you want to connect, you need to head over to the Windows 10 PC, then press Windows+I hotkey, then go to devices and select Bluetooth and other devices from the left hand sidebar. Some of you might see this by default. Then turn on this button underneath Bluetooth and set it to on. Once you are done with that, click on add Bluetooth or other device and then select Bluetooth. Now it will start scanning for nearby Bluetooth devices. Once you find the Bluetooth device you want to pair on the list, then click on it and it will start connecting. So it says press connect to the pin on Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, matches this one 362819. You need to click on pair on the device, on the mobile device, and connect on the desktop, and it says your device is ready to go, and we're done here. So that's how to turn on Bluetooth on Windows 10 and pair with your desired device. Now before jumping into the troubleshooting step, if you are interested in more Windows 10 tips and tricks like this one, check out my dedicated playlist. Link will be on the description, pinned comment, and on the I button on the top right corner of the screen. Also, if you want to skip to a part directly, you can use the timestamps or chapters right below this video. Alright, let's get into the troubleshooting part. How to fix Windows 10 Bluetooth on-off button missing. Let's launch the Windows Action Center by clicking on this icon at the bottom right corner of this taskbar, and here you'll find this Bluetooth button, and if you click on it, it will turn blue colored and Bluetooth will automatically turn on, and just underneath it you'll see the status. It says not connected, and if you click on this Bluetooth button over here, you can directly go to settings. That will take you to the same page as before. Just in case if you cannot find this button over here, there are two methods to fix it. So first, right click on any other quick action over here and then click on edit quick action and then click on add, and you'll find the option for Bluetooth over here, such as I have Wi-Fi, I have not added Wi-Fi, and there could be a second option for Bluetooth if you have not added it already. Since I have already added it, you will not find an option over add here. Now, in case if you cannot find the Bluetooth button anywhere over here, then you need to go to settings by pressing Windows+I again, and then go to update and security and click on troubleshoot from the left hand sidebar, and then click on additional troubleshooters. Under find and fix the problems, select Bluetooth and run the troubleshooter. It will now start scanning for problems within your Bluetooth configuration, including the Bluetooth on-off switch missing Windows 10. You just have to wait until it completes, and when it's done, you will find the Bluetooth option in the Windows Action Center. The problem was severe, you might have to restart your computer. So that's how we basically fix the Bluetooth on-off button missing Windows 10 problem. But in some cases, if the buttons are fine and Bluetooth is still not working, we might have to apply a couple of more fixes in our next section, which is how to fix Bluetooth not working in Windows 10. If your Bluetooth is not working in Windows 10, there could be a couple of reasons for it, such as corrupted or outdated drivers, Bluetooth service stopped, Windows system files damaged, or malfunctioning hardware. Well, we cannot do anything for malfunctioning hardware. All we have to do is take our device to a PC repair shop or contact the manufacturer. But before we do that, we can still work on the remaining three solutions, and here is how to do it. First, update corrupted or outdated drivers. Press Windows+R and type devmgmt.msc, and this will open up the device manager. You need to expand this Bluetooth section, and you'll find the Bluetooth driver name such as Intel R underneath it, and you just need to right click on the name of the Bluetooth driver and select update driver, And here you can do two things: browse my computer for drivers or search automatically for drivers. Let me go to browse my computer. So this is basically useful when you have downloaded the driver from the internet through your manufacturer's official website. And in most cases, what works fine is search automatically for drivers. This will automatically scan your whole system, whole C drive, and select the best driver that suits for your Bluetooth. So it says the best drivers for your device has already installed. If your drivers are corrupt or outdated, you might see an option to install them. All you need to do is select the driver and then just continue with on-screen instructions. One more thing is, after installing your driver, you might have to restart your computer to see the changes take effect. I'm not gonna restart right now, I'm gonna restart it later. Next on our troubleshooting step is enable Bluetooth services. So to enable Bluetooth services, we need to press Windows R, and this will launch the run dialog box. You need to type services.msc and press enter. This will launch the services window, and all you need to do is find a service called Bluetooth support service, right click on it. Let me quickly stop this. This is stopped. All right, so I just stopped Bluetooth support services, and all you need to do is right click on it and start. All right, and one more thing that you can do is refresh it, and that's all. So well, these two solutions should probably fix Bluetooth not working in Windows 10. However, if it is still not helping, then all the system files of Windows 10 could be corrupt. In that case, we might have to reset our Windows 10 installation, and this is the last resort before taking our computer to a PC repair shop. Be aware that resetting a Windows 10 PC will wipe out C drive or the drive where your Windows 10 installation files are stored, and it could be a time-consuming process. So be sure to keep a proper backup of your files and plug in your charger before attempting to apply the solution. Now, I have already shared a detailed tutorial in one of my previous videos, and I will not repeat it here as the video is already long by this moment. I'll leave a link to it in the description or in the pinned comment. All you need to do is open the tutorial, head over to the chapters section, and select the chapter related to the Windows 10 reset. Process is absolutely the same. Finally, that's how we turn on Bluetooth on Windows 10 and fix missing Bluetooth button with troubleshooting step. Before leaving, subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss more videos helping you with Windows 10. Check out this playlist that contains more of the Windows 10 tips and tricks, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.